Hello, everybody. I am back today with, first of all, welcome to my channel. And I am back today because I am going to review the Mcgrath Blitz Astral Quad in Nocturnal Nirvana. It's the only one I have. I have the other one, the Iconic Illumination one, coming hopefully this week. And apparently she has a third one that's supposed to be released on the 10th. And I'm all about it. It's got like pinks and gold. I'm like, girl, just take my money. Take my money and give me that palette. This one just spoke to me because I love the colors in it. And it comes in the normal cardboard that her bigger palettes come in. And it's got this little like windy rope thing. Oops. Tie. Windy tie. Like this. Like you see on one of those envelopes. I forget what they're called, but I've seen them before. And, oh, I forgot to tell you how much it is. Oh, goodness. Okay. This retails for $65. I know what you're thinking. Holy crap, that's a lot of money for only 4 shades. But this is special. These are her special shadows. Now, normally in the 10-pan palettes, watch, I'll get one. Okay, so I have one of her, excuse that, I made a mess one time, so it's like stuck on there. Ah, I don't know. Anyway, it normally comes like this, but without the blue spot. This is her normal 10-pan palette. As you see, you got mattes, metallics, shimmer, and then these four shades right here are her special shades that she always puts at the end of her big palettes. So these right here, like very special indeed. These normally retail for $125. Probably one of the best shadows, shimmers, sparkle, glitter shades I have ever used. So she knocks that out of the park. Just wipe my hands. So back to this little guy. This retails for $65. Now, why it's so expensive is because they're only her special shades, the ones I just showed you. Those are the only ones that are in here. And it's in her normal luxe packaging, just like the 10-pan ones. And you got the Mcgrath Lab embossed on the front here, her normal logo. So you've got like this blue shade, gold shade, green shade, and then this purple. This one is Iridescent Gold 003. This one is Blitz Aquamarine. VR Emerald and Blitz Purple. Okay, so that's what these shades look like. So beautiful. I love her special shades so much. They are just to die for. Oh my gosh. They're the bomb. So we're going to do swatches. So we got this one. The purple seems a little bit more stiff than the other 3 shades I've noticed. I am horrible at swatches. That green. Holy moly. Yes. Give it to me. Give it to me. Now, I've noticed something. Me and my friend Jennifer, and if you're watching this, hey girl! Pat released one of her, it's called Dark Star. Now you would either get a ultraviolet blue or a suede brown, I think it was called. I don't have the UV blue one, but she does, and she also has this little palette, and she sent me pictures that I was just like, oh my goodness. Try to get it as big as I can. That's what she said. Sorry, I had to. Okay, so the picture probably just can't even do justice, but that's the ultraviolet blue, and then this is from the purple quad that's in here. Don't they just look similar? I mean, the blue one I think has a little bit more of a blue reflect, and then the purple has a little bit, from what I could see, it had like a little bit of a like pink reflect. Yeah, it has more of like a pink reflect, which is crazy because when you put them side by side, they almost look identical, right? They probably are, but there is probably like a slight difference because probably the other one is obviously blue, this one's obviously purple, but putting them side by side, it's like, what? Oh my god, I don't know. It's just me, that's my opinion, that's her opinion, so I'm rolling with it. See? That's the ultraviolet blue, and then that's the quad. And like, look. Right. Hold on, let me see if this picture will work. But yeah. So, just wanted to throw that out there. So now we're gonna go into the eye look. Alright. I don't know. I'm really loving this green. Like, I wanna do something with it. I'm blown away. I love these so much. If you're a Pat Mcgrath fan, you know. Her stuff is the shit. Now, you could probably use this palette for one eye look. Like, you probably don't even need to use, anything else. You could put shimmers in the crease. There are no rules to makeup. That's what I say to myself. You could put shimmers in the crease if you want. Heck, mattes, shimmers, metallics. Who cares? All right. So this is her Mothership 5 palette. So I'm going to use this, and I'm probably going to use this awesome like purple shade in the crease and things like that, or even this brown too. Put them, I don't know. I'm just going to try. By the way, how gorgeous is this mirror? Like, yeah. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Alyssa Edwards. Good shit. I'm going to take this shade, this brown. So then I'm going to go in with this purple shade. So I changed the lighting. It was just too bright. It was just darkening up. So is the finished look. Oops. Don't mind this wing. It looks horrible. I forgot to mention this is limited edition. I think this is part of her holiday collection. Glad I purchased this. It is amazing. Great pigmentation, glittery, sparkly, shimmer, special. Remember, these are her special shades that she has in all of her palettes. And they're usually at the end. So this is special. So you don't have to get it if you don't want to. I'm not telling you to, but if you do, you will not be disappointed. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed playing with these awesome shadows, and they're just fantastic. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell whenever I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi guys. Yes, these are her special. These are, and it's the 10 piece. Yeah, 10 piece. And you get these 4 shades. This is the Nocturnal This is not. Why does it keep doing that? Stop making it dark, computer. I love her. Hello. Stop darkening, you poop. Hello, hello, hello. Now with these, seriously, this hair is just little booger. What? Right? Holy crap, I had lipstick right there. I hope it wasn't there the whole time.